In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your cryptocurrency wallet using Telegram's Wallet Bot. This easy process will help you get started with managing your digital currencies more efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open up your preferred internet browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever you usually use for web browsing. Once you've done that, navigate to the web version of Telegram by entering https://web.telegram.org in the address bar. This site brings the mobile Telegram experience right to your desktop, making it convenient and accessible. As the page loads, you might be prompted to log in if you're not already signed in. Simply follow the instructions on the screen to connect your account. Now, you'll see a search bar at the very top of the interface. Go ahead and click into that search bar. You'll want to type in @wallet to find the wallet bot. Telegram's search feature is quite intuitive, so once you start typing, relevant results should begin to appear. When you see the wallet bot in the list of results, simply click to open it. Now, you will see a screen introducing you to the wallet bot. You should see a Start button at the bottom of the chat window. Give that a click to begin interacting with the bot. When you click Start, the wallet bot will respond by generating your unique cryptocurrency wallet address. This is a critical piece of information, allowing you to send and receive various digital currencies. It acts sort of like an email address for your crypto transactions, so keep it handy and secure. To use this wallet address, you'll need to copy it to your clipboard. Just use your mouse to highlight the address, then right-click and select Copy from the drop-down menu. If you're on a keyboard, you can also use the shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac for an even quicker way to copy. Now that your wallet address is stored on your clipboard, you can paste it wherever you need, such as in a transaction form or a message to someone else, using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. It's important to share your wallet address only with trusted sources, as it's your gateway to accessing and transferring your digital assets. And that's it. You've successfully set up and accessed your cryptocurrency wallet using Telegram's Wallet Bot. I hope this guide was helpful and that you now feel more confident in navigating this process. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials.